This is a 10-pack of replacement toothbrush heads for the Sonicare line of toothbrushes. They were sent to me to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, they would cost you about $15. Now, these are labeled as for kids, and I'm not sure if that's because they're pink or because they're soft, but they're individually packaged in these little plastic bags. It says aseptic packaging, universal toothbrush head. So it looks like it's about the regular size. It comes with this little plastic cover, and the brushes feel not particularly soft. I mean, they're soft bristles, but it doesn't feel like they're super soft. They feel kind of like, you know, a lot of other Sonicare heads I've used. They have a little tiny chevron there, a little dot there, some dots around the edge. Let's go try these on a couple of different toothbrushes. All right, I have one of the original Philips Sonicare toothbrushes. I've had trouble in the past with heads not working well with this guy, but that one looks like it works just fine to me. Then here I have a dental guard. I'm not even sure if that's an official Sonicare one. It's vibrating, but not as much. Let me change the mode. All right, that seems like it's working pretty well with there. So this is a Braun Oral-B. It's not even a Sonicare line. And it doesn't quite match up properly, but that head really wiggles around when you mount it on this guy. So I don't know if that's going to work perfectly, but it does kind of attach and mount there pretty well. It's just up higher up. All right, I brushed my teeth with this guy. It worked very well. It was harder than the 6-month-old head I'm replacing it with, but I'd say, yeah, the soft bristles is a reasonable description of the bristle hardness there. I don't think there's anything particular for kids about this guy, other than maybe, you know, the pink tip there. It works just fine on my toothbrush. It seems to be exact same size as all the other heads I've used.